We'll guide you through how to boost a post on X. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To boost a post on X, start by opening Google Chrome on your desktop computer. Click the search box at the top of the browser, type X, and press enter to search for and visit the X website. Select the official X website link from your search results to make sure you reach the correct page. On the home page, if you already have an account, select Sign in to log into your profile. Type your email address in the text box that appears on the screen. Select Next to move to the next step of the login process. Type your X account username in the text box provided on that page. Select Next to continue moving forward to the password screen. Type your password in the field to complete the login process successfully. Select Login to access your X account and your personal profile page. When X asks you about notifications, select Skip for now to bypass that question. Pick your preferred language from the menu options and select Next to continue. Look through all the topics and interests available and pick the ones you want on your feed. Select Next to save all your interest choices and continue. Follow at least one account to finish setting up your profile properly. Select Next to complete the entire setup process. Select your profile button on the left menu to navigate to your profile page. Scroll down through your posts to find the specific one you want to boost. Select the post to open it fully and view its complete details. Find and select the Promote button located at the top of your post. Adjust the age range for your promotion by selecting your preferred age group. Select your target gender for the post, and then click back to move to the next option. Pick your target location for the promotion, and then select Back. Select Next to move to the budget and duration settings section. Adjust your daily budget amount for the promotion in the field provided. Adjust the duration of your promotion by selecting how many days you want to run the ads. Select Sign Up and add payment details to complete your purchase and officially start your promotion running.